Connexis. It's Friday once again. I hope all of you are doing fine. How are you guys? How are you, Josh?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. How about you, Max?
I'm doing well.
Wow, that's right.
How about
That's-
yourself?
It's really cool. Well, I'm really doing fabulous, you know. Okay, how about you, Dre?
Oh, I'm here pala. Sorry.
Nandiyan ka, di ba? Ayaw mo na magsalita.
So, the same apat dapat from last
True.
episode.
Oh,
Kami na naman po
yes.
ulit. Di ba?
Excited for the weekend.
Correct.
It's a Friday and tomorrow is a Saturday.
Yes.
And of course, pag nirelease to, would be Monday. So, sa mga connections natin sa Monday, happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening sa inyo. So, let's wait. Usually, morning naman talaga ito lumalabas.
Yes.
Nagkaroon lang ng technical issue the last time, kaya gabi siya na-release, di ba?
Technical issue.
Pagpasensyahan nyo na po. Of course, nandito naman ang Okay Next, ang kwelang podcast for everyone. At lagi natin sinasabi since season 3,
We are
bigger,
better,
braver,
wilder.
and funnier, pushing the boundaries. Oh, ano
may
ba?
May ganun talaga sila.
Alam nyo na dapat yan by now.
May ganun ng eksena.
Wala bang
Ano
huli
yan?
yun, Char?
Pulling the boundary.
Oo, lalabas ang boundary, di ba? So, kamusta man ang week nyo, guys? Share kayo kung ano nangyari. Ano lang, maiksing maiksi.
Correct.
Ikaw, ano, Dre.
Oh, okay naman. Normal Siyempre, Dubai life. Working week again. Sorry. Yes.
Okay. So, walang extra thing na nangyari.
Walang highlight.
Oo, walang...
Wala. Alam mo naman, pag nagtatrabaho tayo during the week,
Yeah.
there's no really extra special mostly.
Correct. Yeah. So for you, nothing special that went on this week.
Nothing.
No, okay.
NOTHING.
Ay, social.
Parang kanta lang ni Whitney Houston. I have nothing. Nothing.
Correct. May paso.
Kulot-kulot talaga, di
Kulot-kulot
ba? Ikaw, Max, how was your week?
My week was half-half. Like half busy, half nothing, you know.
Bakit naman?
Half relaxed lang kasi nga yung work ko may nag-cancel ako mga client last minute. So I was busy 3 days this week. Only 3 days this week, yeah. And yeah, yesterday...
Not the usual week.
Yeah, yesterday I was really busy. I came home so late. And today I was in Abu Dhabi. I was with the client and it's so traffic.
Ayun.
Kasi naghahabol ako kasi meron akong friend from Pinas na dumating sa Dubai.
We will shout out them
Oh,
later.
yeah?
Yeah, shout out pala kay Christian at saka kay Jay.
Ay, sila-
Welcome. Welcome to Dubai.
Welcome to Dubai.
Hello. We just had dinner. Actually, yeah, meron dinner pala. Kasama pala kayo. Oh.
Yeah.
Tahimik lang, tahimik lang
kayo,
kami. Oo. Pinapabayaan ko na yung
Pagkatapos yung
magkwento.
mabusog, no? Tahimik kayo.
Yun na nga, di ba? Thank you, Jake. Thank you, Christian. Welcome sa Dubai. Second time nila rito.
Yes. Isasend natin ang link na to sa kanila.
Correct, di ba? Para mapakinggan nila. And I'm sure makaka-relate din sila dito sa topic natin for today. How about you, Josh?
We had a great Saturday party last week.
Oh, yes.
All of us are together at Tipankar's party. Well, it was Matt's birthday. We were all there.
Oo.
So it's always a great time whenever we are there in their house. Always, never not a dull moment.
True. Napaka-generous nila.
Correct. We
To
met new
invite us.
people, same old faces, and yeah, fun.
The good thing is, birthday and Diwali party,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
All together. Kaya masaya.
It's
And of
always a
course,
great time.
we get to see all our other friends dito sa Dubai. Oo. Yun yung mga chances natin to meet with them
Correct.
Di ba?
And we always get excited whenever it's Dipankar's party.
True, bongga.
Yes,
So,
we get to enjoy
Dipankar, thank you for guesting us or inviting us last week.
Correct.
We really appreciate that. That nangyayari na kasi siya every year, and in every year is laging pasabog talaga, di ba?
True.
And sa mga connections natin na nakikinig ngayon and sa mga nasa ibang bansa, sa Pinas, whatever it is ang sulok ng mundo, I hope all of you are really doing fine and yun na nga, maging masaya tayo dahil weekend na and parating na ang weekend. Yeah? Okay.
Ay, wah.
Alright, so ready na ba kayo sa Siler side dish ko?
Go for it.
All right. So, side or side dish, last week was Halloween. And ano ko na to, tawag ito, ritual ko na to. Every year nanonood ako ng mga horror movies. Nag-start yan from the first day pa lang ng month of October. Yan. Nanonood na ako niyan. Sunod-sunod na yan.
Okay.
Weekly yan, nanonood na ako ng movie. And that time, lagi ko nire-revisit tong movie na to, which is Scream. Isa to sa mga list ko of my favorite movies. And ang Scream has like, I think, six na sila in the series. And yung pinanood ko recently is Scream 1 and 2. Diyan, binabalikan ko talaga sila every
Ito yung
year.
naka-mask.
Oo, yung Ghostface
killer,
mask.
yeah.
Oo, and
Okay.
napaka-iconic nito, lalo na yung first movie na nandun si Drew Barrymore. Siya yung intro na akala ko dati talaga.
That was the movie itself.
Akala ko nung una siya yung bida.
Yeah.
Which is first 15 minutes pa lang of the movie, tigok na siya. And yun na nga, so with this movie, bihirang-bihira ako makapanood ng ganito na yung from first movie, from the original, tapos nagkaroon ng part 2, part 3, na na parang ang pangit na nung story after. Ito talaga, one of the best sequels talaga ang 1 and 2. Kumbaga, tandem talaga sila. And ang maganda dito is like playing the tropes ng mga horror movies na nauna before pa lumabas tong movie na to. So parang, inano nila yon, sinasalamin nila yung mga naunang horror movies and breaking the usual tropes ng mga ito. And the best horror movies nga, sasabi ko kanina, na napanood ko. Kaya isa sa mga favorite ko. So I really would like recommend this one. It's very clever, good acting, and iconic chase scenes. Di ba mahilig ako sa mga cat and mouse na eksena?
Yes.
So they have a lot of those eksena sa movie na to. Kaya kung mahilig kayo sa ganitong habulan, di ba yung ganun, saksakin ka, habulin ka, yung mga ganyan, tatago ka kung saan-saan, yan, panoorin nyo to.
Now streaming on Netflix.
Oo, now streaming on Netflix. Ang buong part 1, part 2 hanggang part 4. Ang wala lang is yung part 5 tsaka part 6. I think, usually kasi di ba nag-expire yan sa Netflix, parang binabayaran nila yung contract na yan. So yun nga, it's available in Netflix now. I recommend na panoorin nyo as barkada. Diba? Alright.
Okay, next.
So with that in mind, ready na ba kayo mga Connexis? Ready na ba kayo sa ating episode for today's podcast? May idea ba kayo?
This is season 4, episode
3.
3.
That's right. Pangatlo na.
Grabe naman.
7 na lang. Bago matapos ang
Season 4.
Ang season 4, di ba? Alright, and sa sinasabi nga natin, there would be a surprise soon. So let's wait for that. Bigger, di ba? Bigger, something bigger. Okay, so alam niyo, may naisip niyo na ba yung title of the topic today?
Well,
From the title itself, Okay, ang title ng ating episode for today is Bekkeneman Bossing.
Oh.
Bekkeneman Bossing.
Bekkeneman.
Hindi ba natatanong bakit Bekkeneman Bossing? Ano
ba?
Okay. Ang topic natin is about, for sure lahat kayo makakarelate dito sa mga connexes natin, nakikinig, makakarelate kayo dito. Na-experience nyo na ba na magkaroon ng amo na really horrible?
Yeah.
Toxic.
Toxic na
Oh
amo?
my God. They're everywhere.
Ay.
Everywhere talaga. Parang ano lang to, magnanakaw, they're everywhere, di ba?
Ganun.
May hinanakit.
Shoutout pala sa boss ni Adrian.
Mamaya may mensahe si Dre. sabi
Shoutout
niya.
sa inyo.
Sa kanyang amo, may ano yan. Sorry. Napaano ako, napaburp ako. Sorry, guys. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Nakakaloko.
You're excused.
So, yun na nga. Magkukwentuhan tayo kung ano ang mga experience natin sa mga naging amo natin before.
At very relatable again, this topic for everybody
And
because
very-
lahat yan naka-experience tayo yan.
And very juicy. So, okay. So, let's start na, guys. Are you ready, guys?
Go for it.
Okay.
Kind of.
So, Josh, Max, Dre, saan yung unang na-experience ito? Pinas or Dubai?
Having a horrible boss. Pinas.
Pinas, ikaw. Ikaw, ano, Dre?
Ako dito.
Dito.
So yung nag-work ka sa Pinas, wala kang horrible boss?
No.
Wala, ikaw.
Okay.
Here.
Dito rin. So, umpisahan natin
Oh,
sa'yo.
ikaw muna. What?
Dito
Where?
rin, dito rin.
So lahat kayo dito, ako sa Pinas.
Oo.
Okay. Ako, sige, Dubai na nga lang din ako.
Hindi, mas tumatak sa akin tong Dubai kasi.
Okay,
Mas
so
tumatak
let's
siya.
dig deeper.
Okay, sinong mauna? Dapat may dice tayo rito kung sino mauna no? So let's start it with Max na lang. Max, so how was your, ano yung...
Experience.
Oo.
Show us a...
For me, siya lang talaga yung kakaiba. Actually, yung iba kong mga boss, okay naman sila. Kasi yung iba mga puti. Pero ito kasi, siya,
You can tell what's the nationality.
siya, is half Brazilian, half Palestinian.
Oh, mukhang gwapo to.
So,
Sino yun?
So, so
Brazilian and Palestinian.
Brazilian Palestinian. Ano talaga siya na parang ako yung pinag-iinitan niya sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi ko alam why. Parang hindi ko alam buntis ba siya or what. Parang pinag-iinitan niya ako. Oo. Lahat na lang ng mga ko parang
Pinaghilihan ka?
Parang ako yung nakikita niya. Ewan ko ba bakit. Isa din siya sa reason na nag-resign ako eh.
Pero gaano katagal mo siyang nakasama?
I was with her like nearly 2 years. Yeah, but I was working with this company for like 5 years.
Wow.
Pero parang nearly 2 years, nakasama ko siya kasi nagpapalit-palit nga kami ng boss. Kasi nga nilipat kami sa mas malaking branch. So doon, so siya yung manager, bago newly hired. Tapos parang alam mo na, iba yung angas niya. Actually, hindi lang naman akong naiinis lahat din.
Lahat. So,
pero
hindi lang
talaga,
ikaw.
pero ako talaga
pero sa'yo, ikaw yung apple of the eye.
Ako yung pinaka-hate niya talaga sa lahat. I don't know why.
Kuha mo yung kulo ng dugo.
Hindi kuha yung iba na kuha niya, di ba?
Kaya isa din yun sa reason na nag-resign ako. Kasi nga parang I'm not happy. Pas working with this toxic na boss na parang tuwing pumapasok ako, hindi na ako happy. Parang tuwing pumapasok ako, naiinis ako pagkasama ko siya.
Hindi ba siya nata-threaten sa'yo? Baka kasi masyado kang magaling, di ba?
Hindi na, kasi nga, parang, syempre, kasi nga parang senior na kasi ako eh. So parang,
That time na pumasok ka sa company.
syempre, senior na ako. Syempre, parang pinapakita ko na, syempre, mas lamang ako kasi nga, syempre, matagal na ako sa company. Parang ayaw niya ng ganon. Parang dapat,
Gusto niya na papasunod ka.
Oo, parang gusto niya na, pag sinabi niya na ganon, dapat susunod. Syempre, at that time kasi, parang, hindi lang naman kasi yung boss ko eh. Marami akong boss. Kumaga, siya lang yung, branch na manager, pero yung pinaka-big boss talaga is iba.
Kaso nga lang, yung big boss mo na yun, hindi naman pupunta sa yung operation.
Oo. Actually, maganda yung record ko nun. Pinapapangit niya lang. Oo. Kaya at that time, parang ako na yung kinausap na ako na kasi nga gusto ko na nga mag-resign kasi nga hindi ko na siya gusto kasama.
So yung nararamdaman mo na siya. How about you, Josh?
Ako, I had an experience, a horrible boss. Yung, when I was in call center in the Philippines. So probably because I was looking back now, probably because I was a new joiner. It was my first job.
Okay.
So kumbaga very novice, very newbie. So di ba likely kung sino yung mga nabubully sa workplace, sila yung mga newcomer.
Yes, that's right.
Newbie, less experienced.
True.
So tendencies, you're the one who to be bullied. And during that time, I was a fresh grad. Well, not merely fresh grad kasi nga nag-work naman ako sa isang company before I went to call center. Pero it was so difficult to reach out to her. Like, it's so impossible to get a request.
Parang laging
parang-
mahirap. Hindi mabilis.
Oo. Tsaka even the presence of her makes me sick.
Ayun na.
Oo, na parang,
Pinaramdam niya talaga sa'yo.
oo, ganon.
Paano niya
Feeling ko power trip
mga
siya.
request, ganyan.
Power trip.
Okay.
Oo, ganon.
Pero pag sa iba,
Tapos
iba,
side
iba treatment.
comments, during huddle or during,
Paano side comment niya?
you can make face din, ganyan. Or parang, she would dismiss your
Kung ano yung concern mo.
Yung concern
Oo.
mo, ganon.
Oh my God, ang
So it
pangit.
was not a very nice feeling.
Ang hirap
Yes.
niyan. How about you, Josh? How about you, Dre? Sorry. Nalito na naman ako. Yun na nga, ano ang na-experience mo? Di ba, sabi mo, di ba, Dubai ka na-experience mo.
Yes.
So, paano ang eksena nung sa'yo? Katulad nung explain nila kanina, so explain mo paano yung una nag-umpisa yung Pag-aalipusta. Ganun,
Hindi
pag-aalipusta.
naman. Napaka-entitled lang niya. Nakalimutan na niya siguro yung kausap niya. Akala niya siguro yung kausap niya walang alam. Alam mo yung... I'll just gonna wrap it up. Sinabihan ba naman ako na ng isa sa mga boss sa isang company, ng previous company ko na, remember, you are just like this and I'm a manager.
Oh,
Ay, may
so
pagpapamukha.
parang tinret
Oo.
ka, no? Threatened by,
Parang
Oh my God,
pinapamukha niya
naiiyak
sa'yo
na
na
si
mataas siya, mababa ka.
No, gaga. No, mali atang interpretation ko. Sorry. Sabi niya, hindi siya staff dito.
Okay.
Manager siya. Sabi niya sa akin, yun.
Wow.
That was the exact line na sinabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, excuse me? Manager? Hindi ka staff?
At ang nagpapasahod sa atin is yung
Yung company.
company, di
Hindi
ba?
staff pa rin siya.
Imagine, sinabihan niya ako na, hindi ako staff dito, manager ako. So,
Hindi siya staff din siya may-ari, di ba?
my God,
Yun.
considering na manager siya, tapos me as a beginner sa previous company ko, wow.
Di ba? Parang heavy
Yes,
to,
super heavy. And it was a big insult sa kanya kasi after ng shift ko noon, nag-post talaga ako sa Facebook.
Wow.
And doon ako nag-rant.
Oo, nag-rant
But
ka
I
talaga.
didn't mention the name.
Yeah.
Kasi
well,
of course.
it's okay. It's okay not mentioning. Ano to Facebook mo yun, it's your
Yeah.
account. You can
No, kasi that time,
rant.
oo, pero it's not allowed to mention the name kasi nga,
Oo naman.
nandito sa Middle
Oo,
East.
Ito yun.
As in, elaborate ko talagang staff versus sa
Detailed.
manager, ganun-ganon sa Facebook. And
Nakarating ba to?
nakarating. Kasi yung mga friends niya, friends ko sa Facebook.
Okay.
And alam na kasi yung bangayan nyo, I think, no?
No,
Kaya,
first pa lang namin yun na encounter.
pero paano nangyari
Ano yan,
nalaman?
Ha?
Diba? Paano
Nung nag-post ako, hindi
paano
kami
nalaman
friends.
yung beef nyo, di ba?
Hindi kami friends sa Facebook. Yung mga friends niya, friends ko sa Facebook. So, a day after noon, my God, yung GM namin, imagine, pagpasok pa lang, hey, I saw what you did, blah, 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 blah. blah. What? I didn't do anything.
Kaya nga.
Tapos sinabihin mo na ako, might as well delete it. Ganun, no,
Really?
I will not delete it. Kasi I did not mention any names naman.
Correct.
So if someone's affected, it's up to them.
Yeah. If the shoe fits, feel free to wear.
Grabe talaga. As in, nalaman ng buong friends niya.
Oh my
Few
God.
days after, nag-resign.
Wait, because of the post? She resigned?
Kasi yung mga friends niya, alam yung ginawa niya.
Was she known to be like that? To be...
Tingin
I
ko,
was surprised.
kasi the fact na nalaman nila and bago ka pa lang nun, so paano, alam mo yun, parang,
Yeah.
parang fire na nag-spread agad di ba? Yun, doon ako, kaya na-question ko, paano nangyari yun? Eh, alam mo yun. Ito na nga, just to sum it up, dun sa mga napagkwentuhan natin yan, isn't it that since newbie tayo sa certain company
Correct.
or dun sa position na yun, bakit sila ganon, ano?
Yeah.
Nga, sabi ko kayo na power tripping.
Yeah.
Na parang ano sa'yo na
Ano kasi yan eh, parang... You're new, I know better. I've been in the
Yes.
same industry for how many years? And you just
Exactly.
came in. So I'm not gonna take orders from somebody
Yun
who
na nga.
just arrived.
Sinasabi ko, threatened.
Yeah, no, ano din, parang they feel superior. Even though you have the same position, since they've been in the company longer than you,
Okay.
they feel that they're superior.
You have a position now.
Yeah.
Di ba? Ginagawa mo ba yan sa mga kasama mo ngayon?
No, not at all.
Hindi, di ba? Bakit mo
My mom
gagamitin
raised me
yun?
well. Check.
Ikaw, nandun ka na sa posisyon na nga ikaw ang amo, di ba? So, hindi mo rin naisip na ginawa yan, di ba? Na gawin yan, di ba? You're not the kind of person na parang, no, pagtripan ko nga to.
I think yung nangyari sa amin was hindi niya alam yung dapat sabihin niya na yun na ang sinabi niya sa akin.
So, the way he delivers, gano'n.
Yes.
So, gano'n din siya sa ibang mga tao. So,
I
ibig
don't-
sabihin, innocent siya.
No,
na
I don't
nagkamali
think
lang siya
na
ng sabi.
mali lang siya nung sinabi, nagkamali lang siya ng sabi sa akin na dapat hindi ganun ang line.
Oo, yun nga yung pag-deliver, you mean.
Yes.
Pero, I mean, so okay, basing doon sa nakwento mo kanina, so ikaw lang ba, sa'yo lang ba nangyari to or sa iba pa nangyari? So paano siya naging horrible? Horrible siya because the way he speaks. Hindi dahil
Oo, medyo bossy siya kasi alam mo yung
bossy
mga
pagiging bossy.
kasi sales siya eh. So some of the sales
Pushy,
you know,
no?
personnels
Pushy. Oo.
are a bit pushy. Tapos you know yung medyo authoritative sila the way they
Yeah.
talk.
Okay.
Ganun naman talaga ibang mga managers eh.
True.
Kasi ano yun eh, kumbaga, they think na kasi feeling nila sila kontrolado nila lahat. Parang ganun. Kasi sila they are giving, parang the company is giving them an authority to actually do that.
Pero di ba
Parang
there is a line dapat. There is a line kung ano lang yung dapat mong, paano mo ipipressure yung subordinate mo, di ba? Iba kasi, you would feel na parang below the belt na eh, di ba? Okay, that leads me to this question. Ano ang pinakamatinding ginawa ng boss mo sa'yo? Let's start it with Max.
Oh my God.
Pinakamatinding
Ingat.
pagpapahirap.
Oo, di ba? Pagpapahirap
akala
sa'yo.
Ano, sabi niya sa akin, ito-terminate niya raw ako.
So, ginanong kanya.
Yes,
And
kasi
then,
nga, sinagot-sagot ko na siya kasi nga, parang sobra na, parang it's too much, it's below the belt. Parang namimersonal na siya. Tapos ngayon, nung sinagot-sagot ko siya, hindi niya matanggap. Sabi niya, sa ginawa ko raw, pwede daw ako ma-terminate. Di sinabi ko, terminate mo, di ba? Sabi ko, di ba?
Akala siguro niya hindi ka magsasagot ng
akala niya,
ganun.
siguro, magmamakaawa ako sa kanya. No, excuse me, it's not my personality. Hello. So parang,
Excuse
for
me, that's
me,
not my personality.
di ba?
That deserves that.
Hindi, kasi nga parang sinasabi niya na parang
Ano sinasabi niya?
Pinoy, tapos...
Yun na, nagiging racist na siya.
Nagiging racist na siya. So parang, for me, it's a foul.
Oo,
Parang,
foul yan. Pangit.
Hindi ko pwedeng i-ano yan. Hindi
Palagpasin.
ko palagpasin. Kasi parang, Filipino ako, you
Tinapakan niya
are
na-
treating me
oo.
like this. No.
Siguro yung last strand of your nerves, inano niya na, di ba? Pinlock niya na.
Parang for me, parang pinutol ko na yung yung kumbaga yung pang aalipusta niya sa tao. Parang for me it's too much. Parang nagawa niya sa akin, pwede niyang gawin sa iba yon. So I think so for me, parang hindi naman sa
Pinutol
binigyan
mo
ko siya ng lesson or what. Parang pinapa-feel ko lang sa kanya na hindi dapat ganito magtrato ng tao.
True.
Di ba?
Parang sila na yun, no? Sila na yung may hawak ng buhay mo, the way sila
At
magsalita.
that time kasi parang I'm not motivated to come to work every day because the way she treat me, it's not.
Sino ba naman ang, di ba?
It's not really, you know.
motivate sa ganun. It's not motivational. How about you, Josh?
The worst na nang ginawa ng
Oo,
boss
the worst.
to me. I can't think of anything the worst. But, yeah.
Yung tingin mo lang na pinaka-worst talaga.
Hindi ko siya line manager. I think she works in HR. This was in Dubai.
She's one of the boss.
Not
of the
really.
company.
She's an HR rep.
Okay.
Or HR coordinator.
Assistant.
Yes,
Ganon.
whatever. And sa company namin, sa hospital where I used to work, this was like 7 years ago. So I was again newbie back then. So kaka-join ko lang sa company and then they're processing my visa at that time. And then yung passport ko was in the HR kasi nga pinaprocess ng visa, bank, ganyan, opening a bank account and all that. Tapos, it was Ramadan. It was Ramadan. So, Pinay siya. Filipina, works in HR. And she happened to be a Muslim.
Okay.
So she was on fasting because it's Ramadan,
Okay,
right?
so she has the advantage also that time because she's a Muslim.
Of advantages of what?
Of like, yung prayer, tapos ilang hours lang sila, di ba, of work. Mas less ang hours sila compared sa atin. Ngayon kasi, sa company namin, 4 hours lang nag-work pag Ramadan ang mga
right.
Muslims.
Before 6 na rin naman.
Okay.
Anyway, so cut the long story short, I approached her. She was from the HR. She's not my line manager, but I asked her, "Hi, ate, Pilipina. Ate, can I get my passport back because andito yung taga-bank, so I need to open my bank account and la 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 la." Oh my God, she snapped.
Anong? Snapped agad?
Snap, as in.
And the way you approach her is like...
I'm very naman ako. Parang I always tell...
Friendly, ha?
I'm always friendly and I'm always matching the energy of the person that I'm talking to. So if you're gonna be ganyan or friendly, I will match you. I'll be friendly, ganyan. Pero I asked her super politely and then she snapped. Agad, exactly ha. Ano ba yan? Kukunin mo yung passport mo, kakabigay mo na naman yan. Oh my God. These are the exact words. Tapos, Binigay niya yung passport ko, tapos parang may pagdabo, gano'n. Tapos, girl, parang, napahiya ako kasi may ibang tao din sa, sa reception. Sabi ko sa kanya, Ate, I think you're having a bad day.
Sinabi mo ganun?
Oo, sabi ko, bakit nakataas ang boses mo? I think you're having a bad day. And you know what she replied?
Ano?
Oo, kasi naka-fasting ako. Ay, girl, as in sabi ko, bago pa lang ako sa Dubai, no? This was probably 2015, ha?
So, alam mo yun, hindi mo pa alam talaga
I
yung
was shocked. Like, tapos sabi niya, kasi naka-fasting ako. Ganun talaga, girl.
So, kailangan pag naka-fasting ka, kailangan ang tanong ko, ate,
I know.
kunin ko po
And
yung
the reason
anak
for
ko."
doing a fasting is for you to
Kailangan
be
load din ng
prayerful.
energy.
Diba? So,
They should be more talaga.
prayerful,
Oo.
more resilient, more patient. Yun talaga pagkakasabi niya sa akin. Tapos sabi ko, ganun ba? Tapos parang I toned it down. Tapos pinrocess ko na kinuha yung passport ko. Tapos ni-report ko agad sa manager ko. Kasi nga, I think matagal na siya sa company. So she has more to say. Parang nasa late 40s na rin siya. Alam mo yung mga middle-aged people na, you know. Tapos, I reported to my manager na Arabic, na lady.
Siya
my
yung immediate manager mo.
Tapos parang turns out, ano tong nire-report mo, ganyan-ganyan. Eh, since bago nga ako, na parang she was doubting me. Sabi ko, actually, if you want...
Ayaw ko pang paniwalaan.
Sabi ko, there are other people who witness what happened.
Okay, that's good.
You can ask them. Sabi ko, I was so nice. I was politely asking for my passport and then she did this.
She snapped.
She snapped the hell out of it.
Nako, hindi
Tapos,
maganda yan.
girl, tapos the following day or after a few weeks, parang nagkaroon kami ng HR incident.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
And then,
May mga written reprimand na ba to that time?
ganun. Parang there was an investigation. Tapos, after a few weeks,
Naging big issue siya pala.
no, she was like being nice.
Oh,
She approached me with
tingnan
blah,
mo.
blah, blah.
Hindi
Hi,
pa-
Ra. Ay,
Hi, Josh.
hi, Josh. Blah, blah. As if, sabi ko, as if nothing happened. So I just brushed it off. Na parang, okay, fine. Water under the bridge. I don't care. Pero, markado
Tumatak
ka
na
na,
siya. Oh, yun na
girl.
nga, tumatak
Parang,
na.
what's your attitude? I mean, put it in a place. Not because you're in fasting, you have the right and the reason to be angry. Kasi nga,
True.
empty stomach ka.
I feel sorry for them kasi nga 'di ba, I mean hindi kailangan na porket you're in that kind of position, 'di ba, and then also with current
Absolutely.
maiintindihan ba lahat ng tao
Yeah.
na gano'n, 'di ba? So
At saka
it's really wrong.
niya, free pass mo to be
To be
rude?
rude with someone, 'di ba?
Absolutely not.
Which is yun na nga, a lesson yan para sa
Yeah.
kanya, 'di ba? How about
Tapos,
you?
one last thing.
Okay.
Nakalagay pa doon, parang I think I told her one time, nung binalik ko yung passport ko, kasi nakalagay doon, HR Help Desk. I remember this. HR Help Desk. Nakalagay sa taas. Alam mo yan, Help Desk.
May signage na.
Yes. So I told her, nung pagkabigay ko ng passport ko, kasi nga kating-kati ako gumante. Alam mo yun? Since bago ako sabi sa kanya, Ate, please maybe next time, don't call yourself as HR
Help
Help Desk
Desk.
kasi you're not helping.
Sinabi mo talaga
Yes,
yun,
girl.
Kudos to you.
Tapos binigay ko yung passport ko. Sabi ko, maybe next
Diba?
time you should remove the HR help desk because there's no help.
Ayan, dahil dyan, meron kang
Yes,
diba,
ganun talaga sinabi ko.
Josh?
Just, I gave her back my passport. Tapos parang, I'm sure nagagano naman siya. Ano ko dahil, walk out.
Sabi mo, at ba te, Muslim ka? Ganon.
Yes, I walked out para wala na siya. Hindi ko na naintindihan sa sabi niya. I don't care.
Ayun, yun na nga. How about
Grabe naman
you,
yun.
Dre? How is your pinakamatindi mong experience?
I don't
Alam
think...
ko yan, parang nakwento mo na sa akin yan dati.
Ikaw ba yung manager?
Parang hindi na super matindi. I don't know kung matatawag kong matindi, pero I think matindi siya.
Hindi, nag-mark siya eh.
Nag-mark siya. Even until now, nagmamark pa rin
Naalala
siya
mo
sa
pa siya.
akin. Yeah, nung I was always declined with my request sa leave ko.
Ilang beses ba yan?
I think 4 times ba yun? In a year.
laging decline.
Laging decline. Imagine, kasi sa work ko, ever since I started dito sa Dubai, pag nagli-leave ako, 1 week, 2 weeks, minamaximize ko yung, maximize ko yung 30 days ko. Grabe yung time na yon. Every request, okay, decline because we don't have anyone, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I accept
Lagi.
it. Because leisure naman yon. So, with friends though, although it was really important for me kasi, di ba?
Okay, just to, i-stop lang kita dyan.
Oh.
Yung request, wala na sila dapat i-question dyan whether kung ano
Correct.
gagawin
Entitlement ko
mo.
yun eh.
Exactly.
Oo, exactly.
Part of your contract.
Di ba? Napaka-questionable naman.
Whatever you do with that,
True.
or wherever
And
you go.
nagbigay ka ng ample time para i-request yun.
Yeah.
Di ba? Because you need a break. You need
Kahit
go.
pumunta ka pa sa Mars, they don't,
They don't,
should ask.
Oo, they
And
shouldn't
I
ask.
didn't even get the point bakit hindi talaga ko papayagan. Where in fact, yung nire-request ko lang naman,
Kaiksing panahon.
maximum 1 week.
Right.
True.
1 week, even sometimes nga 4 days lang eh. So, ayun, every time na magta-travel dapat ako nung time na yon, hindi ako nakakasama kasi dinidecline ako. So, I accepted it kasi may work. And then, until...
Did she give a good reason for rejecting it?
Manpower, which is...
Which is
I didn't believe
Yeah.
that statement kasi
and I think by that time, kung laging manpower, dapat as the management or as a manager,
Yeah.
dapat na-resolve nila yun
Correct.
para hindi kayo maapektuhan.
I understand the point kasi ako yung senior
Questionable
noon.
ang pagiging manager niya dahil.
Correct.
Dapat
No, kasi-
mag-hire.
Because I was next to her.
Yeah.
So,
So,
ikaw ang gina-groom. Next to becoming her eh. Oo.
Yes. So, ang hinawakan namin kasi noon, 2 branch.
Yeah.
So, palipat-lipat din ang lola nyo. Then, yung reason niya, I just took it na lang na, okay, sige, for the sake of work, blah, 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 for
May ano
the
ka na,
sake
paubaya ka na lang.
of growth, which is, nakikita ko naman na I was on that stage na
To grow in
Yes.
that position.
tinanggap ko na yan. Until one time na last request na uwi ako ng Philippines for festive, Christmas, New Year. Hindi pa rin niya ako pinayagan.
Oh my God. Yun na yung
As
word.
in, that
Alam
was
ko na
the
to.
worst.
Nakwento mo to.
Na, okay, I think this is too much.
Yeah.
I asked you so many times for this year. Imagine you only gave me 1 week for the entire year and this time you will not allow me?
Ay.
Tas anong gagawin mo doon sa mga remaining mong leaves, di ba?
Exactly.
Sko. My
Although
gosh.
sa part ko na
Horrible.
yun,
Horrible,
yes, super.
yes.
I was
Very
really
horrible.
disappointed. And that time, it was supported by the superior as well. And ako din naman, kasi senior ako, ina-evaluate ko din naman kung hindi kaya.
Correct.
Kasi ako nagtitrain ng mga colleagues ko.
You're being mature of your
Exactly.
position. That's
Tapos,
the thing. Being
sabi ko-
mindful and demure. Di ba?
Gusto siya.
Kasi sabi ko,
Oh my God.
I don't think na for a week, hindi
Yeah.
mo ko papayagan ulit. Tapos I know naman yung colleagues dito, kaya na. And besides, hindi naman to busy this week.
Baka
Christmas
ginawa niya
and
lang
New
yun
Year.
purpose para inisin ka.
Kasi prior to that, nag-usap na kami na parang subject to availability, depende sa operation, blah, 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 blah. So of course, ako, in-evaluate ko talaga. Pero I told her na uwi ako ng Pilipinas ng December. Kaya yung mga previous leaves ko na na-request sa kanya, I accepted it. So yung December, di niya ako pinayagan. So,
So you celebrated
with
your
a
December.
heavy heart.
And usually si Dre kasi, tuwing ganong panahon lang siya nagbabakasyon. And
Yeah.
that's the only request
So what did
na
you do
ano niya.
after?
Deep breath. And I sent my resignation letter.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it was so hard to me kasi may position, may makikita na akong position din.
Correct.
At that
Pero
time.
binitawan niyo mo. Yeah.
Binitawan ko kasi I don't like working na hindi balance yung
Correct.
personal
So did they
life ko.
accept the resignation?
Yes, and they were disappointed in me.
Tsaka
to
hindi,
me.
hindi kasi reasonable yung nangyari, di ba? Yun kasi
Oo,
yun.
and
Talaga spokesperson ka.
kasi alam niya.
Hindi kasi alam ko yung nangyari.
Alam niya. Which is, hindi talaga maniniwala sa explanation nila. Kahit anong justification, hindi talaga maniniwala sa kanila.
Okay,
As
dahan-dahan
in,
lang ha.
No, I just have to, let it out.
Let it out.
Yeah, sabi ko
But
na
it's
nga
okay, you know,
Oh,
pero
tapos-
you're in a better place now, so it's
Yes,
fine.
exactly. Kaya nga sabi ko always na there's always a reason
Tsaka boss na rin siya ngayon. So,
Correct.
hindi ka ganyan sa mga ano
O
mo.
hindi
ha?
Minsan na lang, na high blood.
So, I
You
wanted
know,
to
it
know,
happens for a reason.
how did
Yes.
it end with ano yung relationship mo ngayon? Even though hindi na kayo magkasama sa company, pero how's your relationship with her?
Yung pag-alis
Are you
ko,
Facebook
casual
friends?
lang, demure, civil. Oo, connected pa rin sa social media. Pero
Filipina yan, di ba?
Pagkakakilala ko sa kanya, mabait siya.
Yes.
It's just that when it comes to like being a boss, toxic siya.
Oo.
Ah,
I mean,
yung
because she's friendly. She's friendly.
Oo.
Very
Right.
Accommodating
talkative.
naman.
Oo, accommodating siya.
Approachable, pero in terms of mga bakasyon and based sa collective information na nakuha ko dati, ganun talaga siya.
Collective talaga. Marites.
Correct. Nag-census.
Nag-census.
No, kasi nung nagulat ang lahat ng mga tao na kilala ko na bakit bakit yung mag-resign, ganun. Kinuha nila ang reason ko.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Exit interview.
aside on top of that,
Oo, bukod pa doon
kasi
sa
sa
mga
previous
exit
company
interview.
namin, pag may nag-resign,
Talk of the town.
Oo.
yes, talk of the town. So, bakit ganyan? So, nung nalaman nila yung reason ko, nag-agree sila. So, ganun talaga yan, ganyan. Yung isa nga nag-resign dahil sa kanya, ganyan.
Okay.
Which is, hindi na siya, sa akin, parang, kaya pala, ganon. And yung na-disappoint ko was, even yung, yung general manager namin,
Hindi ka bang pinaglaban?
Not supported.
hindi niya ako pinakinggan.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Imagine, tapos parang na-disappoint pa siya na promote nila ako noon. Tapos ang ending lang mag-resign. I will not get... Alam nila na hindi ako mag-resign kung healthy naman talaga.
Correct.
And tingnan nyo ngayon, even for more than a decade here in Dubai, 2 companies pa lang napasukan ko.
Oo.
And right now, nag-enjoy naman ako. So, as long as healthy naman ang work, why leave?
Correct.
Diba?
It
ayun.
tells a lot of yourself. Ganyan ka as an employee, tumatagal sa company. And yan ang
So, ang mga
loyalty.
lumilipat, hindi magandang employee. Ganun.
Hindi naman sa mga connections na
actually,
nakikinig. Hindi naman lahat.
In
diba?
general talaga, yung mga...
Nagkakataon lang siguro sa mga sitwasyon sa buhay.
Ang mga employee na nag-resign talaga is one reason is their boss.
Correct.
Oh.
One of the main reason.
Yeah.
True yan.
Kasi kung maganda kang boss and healthy naman ang working environment ninyo,
Maganda talaga.
naman. Like me.
Yung boss lang ata yung agree ako. Char!
As in talaga.
Pero yun lang, hindi lang kasi lahat sa ganda yan. Kailangan attitude and ano rin.
Overall
and,
personality.
how you pakikitao, di ba? Ako naman, ang pinakamatinding experience ko was ang ginawa niya sa akin is, kasi nga, with me and Dre, we worked together in the same company before,
Right.
but a different branch lang. So, ang nangyari sa akin before is na-personal siya.
Like?
Same thing as kay Dre. Mabait siya.
So, are we talking about the same person?
No, it's a different one.
Okay.
Oo, kasi nga si Dre
Ano nationality?
works
I wanted to know.
Filipino.
Ay?
Filipino.
Toxic term.
Hindi nga, ito
Toxic
nga.
Filipino culture.
I don't know bakit ganun. Pero pag
Filipino din ba yun sa'yo?
Filipino rin sa kanya.
Oh my God.
Dalagang Pilipino.
Uy, akin na HR, Filipino.
Yun na nga, diba? Ayan,
Kasi
kaya ganun, no?
hindi kasi ang mga Filipino kasi, I'm sorry ha, pero kasi yun talaga yung ugali, very entitled mga mga feeling pag boss sila, feeling nila.
Oh my God.
Alam mo yun,
Pero so far yung line manager ko, hindi siya ganon. Hindi siya ganon. Problema lang talaga sa kanya yung about
How she
vacation.
manages.
Oh, how the managing
No
part.
management niya, except lang sa vacation talaga,
Approving leaves.
extra doon. Extra. Pero in terms of work, responsibilities,
Right.
wala akong masabi sa kanya.
Okay, so doon lang siya medyo...
Doon siya sumablay.
Doon siya sumablay
diba?
sa work life.
Okay. So ako naman, ang matinding nangyari is nagsagutan kami and naging personal sa niya. Kasi nga, I work in sales and sa sales talaga alam mo yan kung paano pressure ng mga amo mo, di ba? So kapag kunyari, let's say there would be a month na maganda ang benta mo, yes, ikaw ang king, ikaw ang queen of the group or ng department. And then if a day na wala kang benta, ay ipapamukha talaga sa'yo na na para kang basura. Ganon, di
Oo
ba?
naman sa department yun dati. No?
Ganun kagrabe. And there was a time na hindi na ako makapag-off, tapos hindi pa ako makalabas ng yung personal life ko na tipo manonood ng sine. There was a time na we're supposed to watch a movie, a premiere night, that was in Murdiv City Center. Hindi ako nakapanood ng movie at may ticket ako. Hindi talaga ako nakapanood. Tapos tinawagan ko siya, sabi kong ganyan. No, hintayin mo, benta yan. Oh my God. Isa yon sa ginawa niya. And then, ito na yung below the belt na nag-confrontation kami. Dinamay niya yung family ko.
Oh? Ay, hindi ko alam yan.
What?
Dinamay niya yung family ko. Parang sabi niya, kaya ka nagkaganyan kaya ka ginaganyan ng ng family mo kasi ganyan ka.
Oh, that's a big
That's
no.
below the belt.
Below the belt talaga.
Wait, how did she say that? Like, in front of you?
In front of me, I was there. Kasi ang nangyari
Mas
kasi,
maganda sana kung email.
nag-low man power. Alam mo sa sales, I think kailangan namin 4 to achieve the certain goal or budget of that that branch. Nagkataon 2 lang kami. So we need to work both of us. But then ako ang nag-work. Siya nawawala-wala. So, nawawala-wala siya. So, may mga times na kunyari may kliyente ako, sinasalo ko yung kliyente niya. So, hindi ko na alam saan ako gagalaw, di ba? So, naiiwan din ako doon sa branch na yon. Siya umuwi na maaga. Ako lahat sumasalo ng kliyente niya. Ako lahat. Di ba? So, nagtitimpi ako kasi bago ako eh. So, that time, nung sinabi niyang ganun sa akin, ay, iba na to. Sinabi ko sa kanya, pwede bang wag mong isama ang family ko dito sa usapan natin. And wag mong gamitin to para, alam mo yon, kunin ang loob ko at gawin yung bagay na gusto mo na pagawa sa akin. And that was ang pinakamatinding nagawa sa akin nung amo kong yon. And, alam mo ba, as in, emotionally and mentally, pinaglaruan niya ako. Going home, umiiyak ako.
Oh my God.
And I mean, those, ngayon...
So, ginahasa ka?
Hindi.
Charla.
Emotionally and mentally, syempre maapektuhan ka sa mga ganitong
Of course, kasi
sitwasyon.
it was too much personal.
Too much. And then, we owe this, pagiging matapang natin ngayon.
Of course, by
sa
God.
mga ganung experience. But then, mentally, hindi siya maganda. Kasi until now, naaalala pa natin, di ba? We tend to forgive, but we don't forget. Di ba? So, yun yun.
Yes.
So, ito na nga, this leads me to, sa another question ko. Mayroong bang, confrontation na nangyari sa inyo sa amo mo, Max?
Oo, meron naman.
Anong confrontation to? Anong klase?
Hindi, kasi nga, nung magre-resign na ako, parang pinatawag ako. Yung manager ko na yon, tsaka yung business manager, sa HR, yun na nga. Kasi nga, they want me to stay actually. The business manager and
Inano
HR.
ka nila?
Yeah, they want me to stay. Pero
May
kasi,
counter-offer ganun?
kailan kasi parang iba na rin. Pag naghalo-halo na rin kasi, hindi lang yun sa boss ko, pati na rin sa promotion. So, parang, tapos parang sinasabi na lang niya doon, magre-resign yan dahil sa akin. Sabi nung manager ko.
So, may ganun.
Tapos, parang pinapalabas ko na rin na talagang siya talaga.
Okay.
Pero meron talaga ibang reason na
Palaban
ako
kung palaban
nagre-resign.
ka,
Oo. Sabi ko, siya talaga yung pinapinpoint ko na talagang siya yung reason ba't ako nagre-resign. Kaya ngayon, kinoconfront niya ako, bakit may problema ka ba sa akin? Mga ganon. Sabi ko, actually meron. Sabi ko, ikaw ang problema ko.
Pero after that, anong nangyari sa kanya? Nandun pa rin siya nung umalis ka?
Hindi lang, kasi nga simula nung nag-resign ako, lahat na rin nagrereklamo about sa... Feeling ko kasi nga nung nawala ako, siguro mga few months, parang nawala na rin siya. Hindi ko alam kung or na-terminate siya, nag-resign siya, or what.
Yun na nga eh, parang ano na lang yan eh, parang siguro time na lang din na nagsasabi kung tatagal pa siya. Kasi nga, siguro may mga lumapit na rin apart from you eh, di ba, na nagkwento
step forward.
step forward, di ba? Whistleblower, di ba?
Hindi na rin, at saka hindi na rin, marami na rin kasi nagre-reklamo, kino-complain na siya. So... Tapos ngayon, nung tinanong na lahat, ano ba, gusto niyo pa ba yung manager niyo na mag-stay dito? Or siguro nag-agree lahat na hindi na. So siguro,
Vote out.
O majority win.
Majority will vote out.
Yeah. So siguro, I
May
don't know if
votation.
she was been terminated
Evicted.
or she resigned. I don't know. Or she left the earth. Oh, no.
Oh my
Ibang
God.
level na yun. Sige. Siguro yun? Siguro nag-resign siguro siya or ano. Kasi siguro napahiya din siguro siya. Kasi nga, hindi lang ako nag-complain eh. Marami. So, talagang pinagpiestahan siya.
Kasi nga, ikaw na yun
Kasi nga, if you are nice, of course, hindi ka naman i-complain. Pero the way she treated the staff, it's just too much.
Too much.
Yeah.
Di ba? How about you, Josh?
Where there's a confrontation.
Confrontation, oo.
Yeah. Nakwento ko na kanina. Yeah, that was a confrontation. And that's the only thing that I can remember na
Nagkaroon
ako ng horrible boss because thankfully, siguro din kasi because I have matured. During those years, I was 25 years old. So very new to the industry, bago pa lang sa Dubai. So easily to be bullied at. Pero as I grow much older, I've learned how to, answer back or be sketchy sometimes. Thankfully, wala naman nangyari after that. So yun yung confrontation na, not really my line direct manager, but yeah. it happened in the same company.
So walang mga parinigan, walang mga ganyan.
Oh my God, I don't deal with that.
Oo, walang ganyan.
Medyo squammy yung ganon.
Ah, okay. So you don't
Yeah.
deal with those kinds of stuff?
No.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ako para makapagsigawan.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. How
I would,
about...
pag may sumisig ko sa akin, I would say, why are you shouting?
Ah, diba?
Diba? Hindi gagawin nila. So, biglang bababa ang tone nila. No, I'm not shouting. Biglang magbabago ang demeanor nila. Pag sabihin mo sa kanya, why are you raising your voice?
Mm-mm. Tama yun. Kasi nga, ano lang yan, psychological, ano
Yeah.
lang di ba? Di ba? Para isa-psych mo lang sila. Para at least, di ba, karoon ng ibang communication. How about you, Dre? Ano ang mga confrontation mo na
Yung kanina na
experience?
share ko nung first. Yung sabi sa akin
So
na,
yun lang, wala ka na ibang mga na-experience na confrontation. Meron ko pa isa na kwento na about your isang amo mo rin dati.
sino?
Yung line
She knows
manager
your life
mo.
better than you do.
Oo, maraming kwento to si Dre. Kakalokas, biglang
I
ngayon
know,
nakalimutan.
Yung
Nagchichika-chikahan
current
lang
company ko?
kayo. Oo.
Yung what?
Hindi, chichikahan lang kayo. Tapos biglang meron siya sinabi about your sister. Di ba ako pa nakaalala, di ba?
Kaya.
Kaloka.
No, hindi naman yung confrontation.
Oo, pero hindi, I mean,
hindi ko siya kinonfront, pero nagulat lang ako sinabi niya kasi,
Is it the same person? Same
no,
manager?
Different,
Pero
oo.
from my previous company din. Kasi yung kapatid ko kasi,
Same company yan.
FA,
Yeah.
nakakapag-enjoy ako ng benefit.
Right.
And then parang may pinakita kong picture na about FA. Then, alam ba sabi niya, as a manager, sabi,
As a manager.
Wait, I
yan.
wanna see the... Ano yun? Dalawa lang kayo nag-uusap? Or as a group?
no, I think 3 kami or 4 kami doon sa front desk.
Imagine mo, yan,
Okay.
papasok ka ng gym.
Yes. Okay.
Tapos alam mo ang interpretation niya sa mga FA
Right.
was tagalinis ng toilet, ng lavatory.
Oh my
I mean,
God.
that's
Napaka-
That's one of the things that they do, isn't it?
I think I don't know,
Specific,
pero pag
ano?
mga short flight,
Wala na
maybe, pero of course, pag mga long flight, hindi nila
Yeah.
ginagawa yan.
At saka, may masama ba doon?
Walang masama.
Diba?
Tapos sabi ko, excuse me,
It's a noble job.
Grabe ka naman makapag-light sa mga FA. And, well, look at us now. Itong nilalait mo ngayon na FA.
At naalala ko sinabi mo, kaya niya sinabi yan because nag-apply siya.
Well, hindi siya natatanggap. Sorry.
Hindi siya natanggap. Hindi siya natanggap.
Veterana.
Ay,
Bitter
super.
siya.
Ang ganda mo, te. Sabi
Hindi
ko.
ba? Sinabi mo ganun?
Hindi na. At dapat may mind. So,
Oo.
ang ganda mo, ha? Ganon. Hindi ka naman kaya. My God. Tapos kumapang-like ka ng mga FA dyan. And, naisip ko din naman yun. So, grabe ka. At least yung
Actually,
life namin yan, much better
I think what
life
she
mo.
meant by that, the way she said it.
Yeah, it was
Probably
like
parang
rude.
very condescending and
Oo, condescending.
derogatory.
Oo, para sa akin. Oo.
Diba?
Pakispell nga.
Derogatory. Kasi wala namang masama kung naglinis ka ng inodoro, honestly. I mean, like, this is not something na
Yeah, exactly.
inaano mo. It's
Pero yun ang-
kinikitaan mo yan eh.
Yun ang pagtingin niya sa mga FA.
Correct.
But I think she's just
Ayun nga.
making it a big deal.
Yes, I
Correct.
don't know why.
Ine-exaggerate.
Oo.
Ine-exaggerate niya.
And so what? I mean, if I clean toilet, so
Correct.
I'm actually,
Diba?
yeah, I'm also...
this is not a crime. I'm not stealing. So what's
Nakita
wrong
ka
with
naman
that?
sa
Sabi mo na
ayos.
lang, I'm a highest paid toilet cleaner.
Exactly. And
On-
alam mo
on
ba,
air.
nung nalaman
On
niya
air.
na sinabi ko, FA kaya ang kapatid ko. Ganun ba? Oo, sinabi ko sa kanya,
So,
FA
nung
kaya ang
kinukwento
kapatid
niya
ko.
yun, wala siyang idea.
Oo. Kasi hindi ko pa inopen about my,
So, takla
my
siya.
kapatid. Oo.
Taklesa.
Hindi siya taklesa. Parang
Hindi nag-iisip.
hindi
I think
nag-iisip.
she's not
Akala niya
thinking.
siguro, akala niya
No
siguro,
brain.
yan ang mahirap dito sa Dubai kasi it's really hard to judge. Kasi hindi mo alam yung katabi mo.
Especially if you're not a book.
Judge.
No, I
di ba?
know.
Oo,
She's
di ba?
not,
Judge.
no, she's not thinking what she's saying.
Exactly. Tapos,
Kasi yun ang sinasabi ni Pia na talagang think
Ano yung sinabi niya?
before you
click.
Wow.
click. Kung sa social media yun, before you
Correct.
True,
click.
true yan.
Dapat think before you open your mouth.
Nakita ko tuloy yung reaction niya. Talaga ba?
So nagulat siya.
Nagulat
Nagulat
Pahiya din siya.
So sabi ko, excuse me, yung kapatid ko sa dito sa Middle East nagtatrabaho.
Parang tinapunan siya
Tapos
ng
parang
malamig na
sabi
ano.
ko, hindi naman
na
na
tubig.
ginagawa yan.
Yan.
As far as I know.
Yeah.
Sabi ko.
Yeah, if it's necessary, ginagawa nila pag, syempre, pag nire-request
Pag maruming-marumi na
passenger
siguro.
na, oy,
Siguro.
Pero it's not really, they are not obliged to, either obliged, but it's not really like they're, pinupush talaga sila na maglinis ng toilet.
Oh
Pero
my
pag-
God, I don't mind kung maglinis ng lavatory.
Yeah,
ko.
it's okay.
If only they accept that, I will definitely take the job.
Oh, what's wrong with
Kaya
that?
nga eh.
There's
Wala.
nothing wrong
If
with
I
that.
heard her, I would say like, I don't think that there's something wrong with that.
No, nothing
Oh
wrong.
my God.
Yeah.
Ano yung marangal na trabaho?
At the end of the
Exactly.
day, it's a clean job. It's like,
It's a clean job because you clean a toilet.
Correct.
Yeah.
Malinis na malinis.
you're not making nakaw or something.
Exactly.
Well, I'm just proud of my sister.
And you're not making
though.
dugas, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not making nakaw to everyone. You know, you're just...
God, I hate this kind of people who make these nasty comments.
True.
And they think they belittle of those people who earn less.
Kaya nga
I mean, how dare you to do that?
and you have to question back na, ikaw ba, sahod mo, ganyan pareho ba kayo, ganyan, di ba?
Yun nga yung nasabi ko, excuse me, sound mo nga, maliit pa nga sa kapatid ko. Correct, di ba? Hindi nga yan naglalaki siguro. Ewan ko kung nag-1/4 yan. O sabi ko kasi nung time na yon, senior ng kapatid ko. So,
Yeah.
Di ba?
nilalike mo, parang wala kang sa kalingkingan ng kapatid ko.
Correct.
True.
Buisit
Diba?
ka. Nainis ako dun.
You didn't have the right to.
Para
At
magsalita
least,
na ganun.
sabi, at least at the back of my mind, sabi ko, at least nakakapag-business class ako. Mag-business class ka muna.
Oo, wala
Siguro
siyang
ano
ambition
lang,
ganun.
siguro she was jealous.
Yeah,
Because
because nga hindi
she
siya
applied and
nakapasok.
she wasn't, she didn't get a job.
True.
So that's
I
why.
Hindi ko alam
I
na
hope she
ano pala
listens to
siya,
this podcast.
FA aspirant. Kasi
Wala sa itsura.
I don't mind others live at person's business talaga. Hindi talaga mahilig hindi ako marites.
That's right. Yun na nga. So,
You.
ako naman, confrontation, yun nga, nakwento kanina. But apart from that, meron pa ako isang confrontation na nangyari dati sa amo ko. Ito siya, same as sa dati niyang amo. Mabait din siya, talkative,
Oh my God.
sociable. Pero
So,
nafe-feel
it goes
ko.
to show yung company nyo has toxic bosses.
Yes.
I can only say that.
A lot.
Oh my God,
Isn't
ang tawag dito?
Ano?
Politics.
Oh, politics. So,
Super.
napakalakas.
My God. Buti na hindi tayo nag-work sa
Napakalakas. Ito na nga.
Mas okay pa nga sa call center.
True, di ba? Iba
Oo,
yung
at least
environment, no?
Yung politics, parang limited.
Tsaka iba yung environment, di
Oo.
ba?
Tapos fun lang,
Correct, correct, di ba? Hindi, kasi ito yung call center that time, Pinas to eh. Ito ngayon dito tayo sa ibang bansa. Iba yung thinking ng mga tao eh. di ba?
Customer
Yung
service
culture.
talaga dito, no?
True. So ito na nga, sa akin naman, isa pa to sa mga confrontation, nangyari to, same company din na pinagtatrabuhan namin ni Dre. Ano siya, sociable din siya. Ano siya, kikay.
Right.
But then I felt na parang julalay na ako. Na parang bawal akong umabsent. Alam mo yon.
Okay.
Tapos mawala lang ako ng 5 minutes sa desk ko, nahanap niya na ako.
She got obsessed with you.
Oh, and I think si shout out kay
Maybe
Mocha.
she likes you.
Oh,
Shout
I
out
love
kay Mocha.
Mocha.
Kasama ko si Mocha, that was Halloween. So we were giving chocolates, candies to members of the gym.
Ayun na.
Nawala
nagsabi
lang.
na.
And nawala lang ako ng 5 minutes sa desk ko. Tapos pinage na ako agad. Diba? Siler to reception, siler to reception.
Okay.
And nawala lang ako ng 5 minutes and how
So,
many
5
hours
minutes talaga ha?
Oo, binilang ko talaga. How many hours ako nakaupo sa desk ko na nagtatawag ng mga kliyente?
Right.
For that, little time,
Right.
hinanap mo na agad ako and you're thinking na wala akong ginagawa. I-questionin mo yung mga kasama ko sa team, di ba?
Baka na-miss ka
sinagot ko
lang
talaga.
niya.
Sinagot ko talaga. Sabi ko, kasama ko si Mocha. Sabi ko, gano'n, nagbibigay kami ng candy. 5 minutes lang ayaw mo akong pagbigyan.
Okay.
Sabi ko, gano'n.
So you told that to her straight to her face?
Kasi napuno na ako.
Ano sabi niya?
Lagi kami magkatabi eh. So alam niya ako pag nawawala ako sa tabi ng desk ko, ito yung desk niya, ito yung desk ko. Diba? So alam niya pag nawawala ako.
Pang secretary.
Oo, na parang, julalay mo ba ako, madam? Di ba, ma'am? Ma'am? Hindi dapat kanya magsalita. Ganon. Di ba? So, yun.
Ano sabi niya?
Sabi niya gano'n, nawawala ka naman. Wala pa tayong budget. Ganyan.
Wait, that's how she said it?
Oo, as in nagging. Nagging
God.
talaga. So ako naman, sabi ko, ano ba to? Sabi ko gano'n, alam mo yun, maiirita ka talaga. Maiirita ka talaga. So sinagot ko talaga siya. Sabi ko, 5 minutes na naman ako nawala. Sabi ko
Yeah.
gano'n. Tapos, ganito
Was it a
ka na-
heated conversation?
Kasi nga, that was a month end.
Yeah.
Bin-rush off ko na lang. So, sabi
No, I
ko,
was
balik ako. Tapos
asking-
nagdabog-dabog ako syempre ng konti. Para
Heated
mas
yung
maramdaman
confrontation
niya.
nyo.
Ha?
Heated conversation.
Heated siya on that moment.
Normal lang
Ah,
sa department nila.
Oo,
yun,
normal
dati.
lang naman sa sales department yun eh. May mga ganyan. Gusto ko siya as kasi parang ate ko siya eh. I respect her as parang ate. But the thing is like when it comes to that kind of situation, parang pwede ba naman give me a break, boundaries, give me a break, 'di ba? Yun eh, 'di ba? So I hope na yung mga connections natin ng mga amo diyan, I hope na hindi kayo gano'n.
Pakinggan nyo nga to.
'Di ba?
Itong podcast na to.
Isa yun sa mga
Oh, super.
Eto na tayo. Ano ang naging effect sa inyo? 'Di ba? Ng ganitong
Dealing with horrible bosses.
mental, na trauma, perspective, nag-change ba yung perspective niyo in life? How about you, Max? Ano ang naging pagbabago?
For me, nagiging strong ako somehow. Kasi nga parang parang natuto akong lumaban. Kumbaga natuto akong tumayo sa... No, what I mean is like, I know how to fight my right.
Kung yung tama.
Kung ano yung tama. Hindi yung parang hinahayaan mo lang siyang
maltrato
kumbaga
ka.
itrato kang ganyan.
Oo,
So
push you around.
ngayon ang lesson doon is parang natuto akong natuto akong lumaban.
To be stronger.
Yeah, to be stronger.
You
Right.
made me stronger,
Yeah.
breaking my heart. Diba?
Ako may outtake on that is, ang effect niya sa akin, I'm not gonna be like you.
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
You've experienced the worst, eh, di ba?
yes, I've been I don't want to be in the same position. I don't want anybody to be feeling the same that I have experienced. So I'm gonna do the opposite.
True.
Yeah, so I become worse. Char!
Kudos to you, Josh,
Yes,
diba?
yun yung mindset ko parang,
Thinking.
ngayon I have subordinates. I'm having reception, nurses. Tapos, my mindset is, no, I'm not going to be that person. I'm going to be the opposite of that because I don't want that new joiner or somebody who's under me to have the same feeling, which is terrible.
True.
That's a terrible feeling. I mean,
Ikaw ba naman yung tipong na-trauma
it's
ka, di
not
ba
a good
umiiyak
experience.
ka?
Yes. So I
Kasi
don't
ano
want
yun eh.
I don't want to pass that because also it's a reflection of myself.
Oo.
Not because ayoko lang ma-experience din yung tao na yun, but because this is me. This is not how I operate. So I'm not gonna do that.
Alam mo yung sarili mo,
yes.
di ba?
And I know that's not right and I won't do that.
And
Ganon!
correct, di ba
Charot.
napaka-ano ng ano mo, di ba sagot mo?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I will not be the same as you.
Yun na nga, nakakatuwa dahil tayo nare-realize natin yan. I hope na yung mga nakikinig natin sa mga Connexis, di ba, kung na-experience nyo ito ngayon,
Yeah.
mag-isip kayo, di ba?
Dial 911.
Hindi, just kailangan mo rin maging strong kasi nga
True.
pag alam mo kasi pag nakikita nila yung weak, yung
Correct.
Mas lalo
mas
nilang
lalo kanilang
pupush.
ina-down. Mas lalo kanilang tatataruhin ng ganyan. They will treat you like that kung talagang nakikita nila yung napaka-weak ng personality mo.
Nawad.
Pero if you know how to stand,
Correct.
you're right.
Pero kasi may mga instances
So-
kasi talaga na may mga pagkakataon na you're helpless eh. Di ba?
Oo, tsaka
May
minsan
ganun
kasi
talaga eh.
may mga moment na you're not in the mood to fight.
You choose your battles.
Oo, di ba?
Yeah.
Na tipong parang ngayon gusto ko
Tsaka
tumahimik
sometimes,
lang.
it's also based on the experience. Kaya nga nang nabubuli yung mga newbie kasi nga, they think of you as like, lack knowledge. You have few knowledge of the operation of the business. Kaya, they can pass you around. They can
push you
toss you around.
Oo.
Push pala,
Oo,
no? Toss
push,
you around.
oo. Pushing the boundaries.
Correct. Kasi nga, akala nila bago ka.
Oo,
So,
true.
pero actually, yung mga new joiner na medyo may edad na, yan ang mga hindi na magaganyan kasi nga, knowledgeable na.
True yan, di ba? How about you, Josh?
Ha?
For the second time,
Josh, Dre.
Lasing na.
Nalito ako kay Dre tsaka kay Josh. O, Dre, go.
No, on my side naman, ako kasi yung hindi ko na-entertain kasi yung mga negative sa work. So, and at the same time, I know my worth. Oo naman.
Parang relasyon lang.
Yes, I know my worth as an employee. And if I really see that
have the rights.
it's not really worth it to stay, then I leave. In-evaluate ko din naman. And yung iba kasi walang choice, which is yun ang sabi niya, which is
diba?
totoo din naman for
Minsan
some.
helpless ka, diba?
Yes. Pero through experiences, I think may mga time na magbo-boost din yung confidence niyo, how
Correct.
to
Yung naging
overcome
learning.
yung mga ganong situation. Just keep on learning, guys, and
Be brave.
yes,
One.
and lalo na pag nasa overseas kayo, so you really have
Yeah.
to be strong and
It's very different to work.
learn more things para ma-boost yung confidence niyo.
And choose the
Correct.
battles.
Yes.
Knowledge is
Know
power.
your right. And if you think it's not worth to stay, leave. Ganon. Kasi ang daming work sa Dubai, you just have to find them.
Correct.
Yan. Mahirap lang silang hanapin, but at the right time, it will come. So, if you really want to go, if you really want to leave, then leave.
Ay.
There's always a reason
And
behind.
then sometimes kasi if you feel that you're being abused na,
Thank you.
you know, if you feel you're being abused na emotionally, emotionally and mentally,
Physically.
also, pag, worst comes to worst, di ba? Worst comes to worst, hanap ka na ng someone
Yes.
or even in the company itself na mapagsasabihan mo and mapagsusumbungan mo, di ba? This goes to all our connexes, di ba? This is a serious thing kasi, di ba? Ito mga napagkukwentuhan natin, alang to eh, hindi pa to ganun.
Tip of the iceberg.
Oo, tip of the
Oo,
iceberg
hindi
pa
pa.
lang to.
yung anong ko nga, yung, sorry, before tayo mag-end, yung pag-resign ka from my previous company, it was really my, like, first decision ever na ginawa ko dito sa Dubai. Although kinansel ko talaga yung kapatid ko.
Oo, kasi kailangan,
this is my
oo.
plan na it's no longer healthy. I tried my part na maintindihan yung manager ko, ganyan-ganyan.
As
But
much as you can, di ba?
yeah, and she supported me all the way. So, when she said yes, okay. Because I know naman my worth na makakahanap ako ng work dito sa Dubai. Hello, it's not just one company in Dubai.
Yung
Parang
nasabi nila
ganon.
that time, may sinasabi sila before yung life begins after a certain kung saan ka nang galing, di ba? There's always life after Chuba.
Yeah,
And
if you...
I'm so thankful with my experience sa previous company ko, really. And even inalisan ko sila, I still have those experiences
That
from
you
them.
carry on.
Which is,
The
I
knowledge.
have it
That's good,
still.
you know. If you are not happy with your company, then leave and find find somewhere else that is stress-free environment.
Only leave sa company kung hindi talaga nagiging maganda na sa'yo.
Yes.
And if you feel na tipong you wanted to spread your wings and fly
Yeah, and
away, di
fly
ba?
butterfly.
Oo.
Yeah, because-
Yun lang. Ang ano lang, let's just stick to the kasi doon sa natin, sa topic na about nga, mga
Yes.
amo, di ba? About amo. So, yun na nga, about, ako naman, ang naging effect sa akin, mentally, and of course, perspective in life, yun nga, naging stronger. And natuto ako paano ko i-manage yung pakikisama sa mga tao and to know kung saan ako, kung sino ang lalayuan ko at nandyan yung wall. Lagi akong may wall. Hindi ako agad parang
Lagi
kaya-
ka may partition.
Oo, gano'n. May partition, ganyan. Hindi ako agad...
There's always a boundary.
Ayokong
True,
ipakita
true.
lahat sa kanila. Hindi ako agad naguhubad sa harap nila, mga ganon.
Setting
diba?
boundaries.
Talaga ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry guys.
Busog.
Sorry guys, busog.
Second time?
Second time, oo. So hopefully wala nang third
Parang
time.
kinakapag ka. No?
Okay. So anong take-away nyo dito, guys? Ikaw, Max, let's start with
Having a
you.
horrible boss.
Oo. At saka,
Dealing.
take-away tsaka message mo sa boss mo dati.
Okay.
Hopefully nakikinig siya ngayon.
For me, ang takeaway, for me is na natuto akong lumaban. Sa
Sa mga laban
Sa
mo.
mga, marunong akong lumaban.
Sa tamang
Kumbaga,
Muay Thai ba
nagiging
yan?
strong yung yung pananaw ko, nagiging strong yung mga decision
yung ano
ko.
sa buhay, oo.
Yes.
Yung sinusulong mo sa buhay.
Oo.
Oo.
Tapos yung yung isang question.
Mensahe
ko sa boss ko.
Dati mong amo.
Oo.
Oo. Gusto mo ba sabihin ng English?
Oo nga.
Oo. Hindi, sa Tagalogin mo na lang para niya maintindihan.
Because I think she's still here.
Oo.
For
Oh my
me,
God.
sana hindi na niya nagagawin yan sa ibang tao.
True,
para hindi na siya, alam mo yun, hindi na siya, hindi ko naman
Hindi na siya, hindi na siya ng mga
hindi na
tao.
siya magtulungan ng mga staff niya na parang tsugiin siya sa work.
And also for her betterment ba? May word
Yeah,
bang ganun?
actually,
Oo.
she needs to change her personality kasi for me, it's really unacceptable. Parang hindi natutuwa yung mga staff na parang hindi happy yung mga staff na ka-work
Kaya
siya.
sa kanya.
Oo. So parang dapat
Sana
yun ang una-una
nagbago
niyang
na siya.
baguhin yung
Oo.
ano niya, yung personality, tsaka yung pananaw niya, the way she treated the people.
True. Sana nga nasa
Magbago ka na.
Oo, kasi nga at the end of the day, it's not her company.
Oo,
you know,
correct. Siya yung may-ari ng
Oo,
kumpanya.
feeling niya siya na yung may-ari, mas malala pa siya sa may-ari.
Correct, di ba? Yun na nga. So, kung nakikinig man siya, sana po inasa
Shout out kay
Kay Tutut. Next, Josh. Si Dre muna. Dre.
Ako, yung mga previous manager ko.
Take away mo muna, tapos mensahe mo sa previous manager mo.
Teka lang, na may mental block ako.
Ano na?
Message ko na lang sa previous line manager
Sige,
ko.
go.
Kasi ako yung taong hindi kailangan mag-advise sa kanila. Kasi, hello, it's quite ironic na
Right.
Oo, ikaw pa
pagsasabihan mo
mag-advise.
sila, tapos manager mo sila, tapos ikaw sub ka lang, di ba?
Right.
And I think,
Parang mali naman.
I hope for all the same experiences she faced sa mga employees na umalis because of her, I hope na may ano ba?
Ano?
Hello Dubai.
Hello, Dubai. Hello, Dubai.
I hope na na-overcome na niya yun and she learned from it.
Okay.
Para yung mga
Sana na-realize
susunod
niya na, no?
Yes, sorry, my God, the word. I hope na-realize na niya yung mga same situation
Clauses
na yung mga employees niya umalis because of that reason.
I think naman siguro, oo. Kasi
And
nakausap ko siya nakaraan.
I really do hope. Kasi, wala na sa akin yun eh. At, okay na
Iyak ka na
ngayon.
naman, umiiyak ka na naman.
Hindi kasi,
Hindi, baka may gusto lang siyang patunayan.
Hindi na matatapos ni Dre yung show.
Hindi kasi nasaktan talaga ako.
Hindi na matatapos ni Dre yung shows.
Hindi,
Pasensya
I
ako.
hope
So,
she
ikaw,
realized
ano,
talaga yung sa mga nangyari na yon.
Siler.
Siler.
Nakalimutan mo ng
Akala ko
Maxa.
si Makopa ka. Makopa.
Si Maruya.
Si Makopa, pitas ganda.
Si Maruya. Ayun na nga, ako naman, ang take away ko dito, ang take away ko dito, yun na, I'm more stronger and I think about, how to deal with people and I stay away agad-agad if in case. And of course, I should know, kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat kong gawin if certain things like this na mangyayari. Ang aking mensahe sa dati kong amo, sana po ay nasa maganda kang kalagayan ngayon and hopefully
I wish you well.
na hindi na to
In hell.
hindi naman kasi as a human being naman
Nasa maganda ka na, sana sa, ano ba?
sa magandang kalagayan.
Madig?
Ano?
Bukas na lang.
Magandang pahingahan.
Bahingahan. Yun na nga. Kasi nga,
Natitigok na.
tayo naman kasi as a human being, may mga impulsive, tsaka may mga moment na nakapagsalita tayo ng hindi maganda sa tao, di ba? Pero looking back, dun nga sa mga nangyaring yun, may nakuha rin naman tayo na magagandang bagay. Bukod sa trauma na nakuha natin.
Correct.
Pero I wish them well. I wish my previous boss well. And sana, hindi na ito mangyari ulit sa mga susunod pang mga
Henerasyon.
Oo, henerasyon ng mga magiging subordinate niya. And ako naman, since I'm really grateful din naman dahil may natutunan din naman ako sa kanya. Kasi ngayon, I'm already in that kind of position. I'm already the leader of the group. So of the band, di ba? So I make it to a point na hindi ako nagiging nagbibigay ng agrabyado sa nagbibigay ng stress sa kanila, nagbibigay ng something na hindi nila magugustuhan sa akin.
Yeah.
Diba? So yun lang ang aking ang mensahe.
Lovely.
Ganun ba yun?
Okay.
Okay,
Wow.
next. Okay. Oh my God, guys. So just to, disclaimer lang po sa ating mga nakikinig sa mga Connexis na this is just our POV and experiences in life and our sole reason is just to share it to you all the things that we would like to kwento, di ba? And we are having fun na ikwento to sa inyo, and of course we just wanted to make you smile, to put something na kwela for a shorter period of time. All right? And don't forget na i-follow nyo po kami sa Spotify, meron din kaming Amazon, Audible, Apple Podcast. And please tick the bell icon, and please rate nyo na rin kami, and leave a comment na rin po sa mga topics na gusto nyo namin pag-usapan. And if you wanted to add something na na hindi namin na discuss today, i-ano niya rin po. At any suggestion po will be fine. And meron din po kaming X-account, which is OKNext01, and TikTok account Nexis7, di ba? Alright guys, let's move on to our shout-out! Okay.
Our
sino mga
favorite
shoutout
part.
na- Yes, favorite part natin to.
Okay, shoutout pala kay Jake.
Hi.
Jake, Christian, Gab, Gerald.
Yes.
Sana next time makasama kayo sa...
Yes, guys, listen to the podcast. Shout
And,
out kayo.
Invite namin kayo sa podcast namin one of these days.
Yes,
di ba? Gusto namin
One of these
marinig
days.
yung ano nyo. Gusto namin marinig yung mga kwento nyo and POV nyo. We'll have something really good episode sa mga susunod na natin na podcast. Yeah? How about you? Sino shout out? Dre. Shout out.
Yes, Rosel from in the Philippines. Hello.
Sa mga tropa pips, yan. Ness, yan. Elmo, Rosel, Regina, Wendy, Carwin, Carl.
Yeah,
yan,
I
mga
hope
tropa
I
pips.
hope I
Jay-Z,
see them
Rhea,
next month.
and Jen. Okay, go.
Yeah.
Shout out kay JR, my friend.
Yes, si JR. Si Sunshine, which is listening sa
Sunshine?
Canada. Sunshine.
Nasa
Sa Canada na siya. Yes,
Oh
nag-fly
my
na
God,
doon na siya.
Shine!
Aiza, Lorraine. O yan.
Si Aisa galing yan ng Pinas.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Oo
Nandito
nga.
na ba siya?
Wala pa
I
yata.
think so.
Oo, pasalubong
okay.
daw. Di ba?
Sino pa yung mga
Aiza yung lechon namin,
From
Day.
Quebec.
At saka yung ano ba yun? Yung chicharong bulaklak.
Siya ng bulaklak, yes. Okay, it was an enjoyable conversation, guys. Thank you for being with us. So, thank you very much sa mga Kanexis from
And
the
good
bottom of
night.
heart. And good
Thank you,
night sa inyo.
guys.
Good morning, good afternoon sa Monday. Alright?
Bye.
Bye! Bye! Ay, mali.